Hey, thanks for stopping by. I know you're in a rush to get your holiday dinner. I'm just wrapping up your acorn stuffed squash and high protein gravy so you can enjoy a perfect vegan holiday dish wherever you go. Here you go. Enjoy your holidays. Not only is this an easy vegan meal, but your plate will be the talk of the table in a good way. Let's start out cooking this damn delicious vegan holiday recipe by dicing up the celery, onion, and parsley for the gluten-free soy curl stuffing and setting it aside. Give the acorn squash a chop in half and scoop out the seeds. Grab a stock pot and place it on a low flame. Keep it oil-free and toss in the onion and celery. Salt generously to bring out the moisture in the vegetables. Stir and let sit. Resist the urges to mess with it because we are going to develop some fond on the bottom of the pot. Toast the spices. Stir. Deglaze pan with stock. Add soy curls, baking soda to help with digestion. Stir and let cool to soak up the holiday marinade. It usually takes about 20 minutes. Go ahead and add oats, parsley, salt, pepper, and stir to combine. Spray a baking sheet with oil and place the acorn squash with the cut side down. Toss soy curl stuffing in an oiled loaf pan and cover. Bake both at 400 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour. You want the outside of the acorn squash to be soft, but not mushy. With the soy curls covered, they won't burn. Once they are cool, season the squash with salt and pepper, stuff with the gluten-free herb stuffing, and wrap up in foil or place in a covered dish. Now, it's time to show you how to cook a rule-breaking, low-carb, low-fat, and high-protein holiday gravy. First, take everything you think you know about making homemade gravy and throw it away because we are taking out the trash with the cooking rules. Start with a non-stick saute pan and pour unsalted stock in and reduce it halfway. Once reduced halfway, add unflavored pea protein and mix well with a spatula. Remove from heat and add butter to give it the desired silky smooth mouthfeel and salt to taste. If it's too thick, add a little more warm stock. If it's too thin, reduce it a little longer. Adjust the viscosity to your liking. Pour in a thermos to keep warm and have a perfect high-protein vegan gravy to add to any meal wherever you go. Reheat soy curl stuffed acorn squash for 30 minutes covered. Pour some protein gravy on the plate, sprinkle fresh herbs, cut and stack the stuffed acorn squash, and top with roasted squash seeds and more fresh herbs. Grab a spork and dig into the vegan holiday dish that will bring the comfort to the table while leaving the stress at the door. Have a happy and compassionate holiday. Hit subscribe for more junk food that's nutritious and leave a comment below on what dish you want a damn delicious spin on.